Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to talk to you about chloropyramine, also known as Avapena. What is this medicine used for and how should we take it? Let's get started. Avapena is an antihistamine, which means it's a medicine that helps relieve allergy symptoms. It's used to treat things like hives, allergic rhinitis, and other allergic reactions. If you've ever had itchy skin, sneezing, or watery eyes because of allergies, Avapena can be a big help. So how does it work? Avapena blocks the action of histamine, which is the substance our body makes that causes those annoying allergy symptoms. By blocking histamine, your symptoms are reduced. Now let's talk about how to take it. The recommended starting dose for adults is usually 25 milligrams, 3 or 4 times a day. The dose can then be adjusted by your doctor depending on how you respond. It's very important to follow your doctor's instructions and not self-medicate. As for side effects, the most common ones are drowsiness, dizziness, and dry mouth. If you experience any side effects, it's important to contact your doctor right away. And remember, you shouldn't take Avapena if you have glaucoma or prostate problems without first talking to a healthcare professional. To sum up, Avapena is an effective medicine for treating allergies, but it's important to use it with caution and always under the supervision of a doctor. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your doc. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the information, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content about your health. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.